Welcome to Amazing World Adventures. Join us as we showcase tips and tricks to help you live your best life on the road. Alright, so it's very common for RVers to show off their solar panels. What's not commonly seen is mismatched solar panels. So what we've got here is up at the front, and also one additional outside of the camera's view, I have four 250 watt panels. And here in the middle I have two 200 watt panels, and then back there closest to the camera I have three 100 watt panels in two different size configurations, two different aspect ratios. The reason that you don't often see mismatched solar panels is because of the way that solar systems work. If you tie mismatched panels together, they will function based off of the lowest common denominator. So if I tied all of these together, they would all be 100 watt panels. So I've got 3, 6, 9 panels. I would have 900 watts of solar, which is way more than most RVers have, and we'll get into that in another video. But because I actually have these on 4 separate circuits, each with its own charge controller, these are 250 watt panels, these are 200 watt panels, those are 100 watt panels. I actually have 1,700 watts of solar, so nearly twice as much. And that's the key thing, is if you're going to mix and match solar panels, they need to each be kept on their own. They need to be grouped together by similar capacity, and then those capacities each kept on its own separate charge controller from all other solar panels of a different capacity. So what I've got is 2 of the front ones are tied together to make 500 watts. The third front one and the one in the back is tied together to make another 500 watts. These 2 together are tied together for 400 watts, and then these 3 make 300 watts.